Go. Got him. Little bitty old panfish. One of the Fishing Fiend's nymphs. See if we can do it again. Got him. There's a little guy. Ooh. He swiped at it and missed. Let's get that out of your eye. Not too bad. Got him. Little guy. Not too bad, not too bad. Do it again. Oh, damn, missed. Damn, missed again. Hell. Got him. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. Little blue gill. Not too bad. Oh, there we go. Another little guy, bigger than the last couple. Not too bad. Well, looks like there's plenty of water up here in the big pond. Let's go see what else it is. See if there's gonna, maybe, hopefully there'll be enough water for them to stock it this year. Maybe. Over here, the easy access spot. Looks like there's plenty of water running through. Plenty. Plenty. We'll just see. I doubt I'll catch anything, but see if there's a bluegill that's hungry. But there's more water than there was in 2014, 2015 trout season when they stocked. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, and he flipped off. Not too bad. Go throw him back. Keep looking. And over here at the little rock dam spot, beautifully full. Look at that. That's what you want to see. Beautiful. It's nice to see it finally full again. Beautiful spot. Well, I think they might actually stock it this year. This is actually fuller again than it was when 2014, 2015. There we go. Nice little green sunfish.